Creating cinematic videos used to be a complex process. You needed actors, cameras, lighting setups, and a full production team just to bring a single idea to life. And even then, achieving realistic visuals required time, coordination, and a serious budget. But things are starting to shift. With the rise of advanced AI tools, it's now possible to generate highly realistic video scenes without going through the traditional production process. Instead of managing multiple steps manually, you can focus on the idea and let the technology handle the execution. Recently, I came across a platform called Higgsfield, and what stood out to me is its ability to generate visually consistent cinematic scenes that feel much closer to real film output. It's not just about creating random clips, it's about building scenes that carry a certain level of realism and continuity, which makes it useful for storytelling, short films, and creative video projects. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Higgsfield to turn a simple idea into a cinematic video, step by step, without needing a full production setup. While exploring the AI features inside Higgsfield, I came across a new update called Cinema Studio 2.5, which is the successor to Cinema Studio 2.0, and this is where things started to feel different. Cinema Studio 2.5 isn't just another video generator. It's designed around a complete workflow. You begin with a simple text prompt to generate your base scene, and from there, you can turn that image into a cinematic sequence, all within the same workspace. So instead of switching between multiple tools, everything happens in one place. What really stood out to me is how it handles multi-shot storytelling.
I will always take care of you. Please, don't do this. You should leave now if you love your life.
The platform also includes a character system that allows you to create consistent characters across your scenes and even adjust their emotions. On top of that, you can select a genre, your production budget, and all the way to the outfit of your character. So it's not just generating visuals, it's shaping how the story unfolds. What really brings everything together is the level of camera control. You're not just generating motion. You can choose specific camera movements like pan, dolly, zoom, or handheld. And in the image section, by selecting Cinema 2.0, you can also adjust focal length and depth of field, which gives your scenes a more cinematic look. Now let me show you how I use this AI to create my first scene. After creating an account on Higgsfield, I clicked on Cinema Studio. Once inside, the first step was to build the foundation, starting with generating my character. I had the idea of a zombie attack scene on a highway, so I selected the character builder and chose how I wanted my character to look. Once the character was generated, this was the result. The platform also provided a detailed character profile, which helps maintain consistency across scenes. Next, I created the location. I used a prompt generated with ChatGPT and pasted it into the platform. This was the outcome. At this point, you can combine your character and location directly, but I decided to move into the video section to build the full scene. In the video section, I uploaded my image reference and selected manual multi-shot mode so I could control each camera angle myself. If you're unsure, you can also use the automatic option. Before adding my prompt, I selected horror as the genre to match the zombie theme. Then I pasted the prompt I had generated earlier. For the first scene, I chose a handheld camera movement and added a speed ramp effect and repeated the same step to the other scenes. And whenever I referenced my character in the prompt, I tagged it to maintain consistency across shots. Once everything was set, I generated the scene. As you can see, creating cinematic scenes that feel structured and realistic is now much more accessible. With a clear idea and the right prompt, Higgsfield makes it possible to turn a concept into a visually consistent sequence. What once required a full production setup can now be done from a single workspace, with more control over storytelling, camera movement, and overall cinematic quality. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of how to create your own cinematic scenes using Higgsfield. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.